In HTML tables, we are going to see how the tables can be formed in a web page. All of you know about the tables. Tables are having rows and columns. Okay, so the basic formation of a table is of rows and columns. Tables represent tabular data. Okay, tabular means in a table format. Okay, a table consists of one or several rows. Okay, this point is important. A table consists of one or several rows. Means in a table there may be one row or many rows. Okay, each row has one or more columns. So if you are forming a table, there are rows and as well as there should be columns also. So a table can have one or more column. Table comprise of several core tags. So there are some HTML tags that are used to form the tables in HTML web page. So first, the formation of table tag is begins with table, table in angular brackets you can see. This is the opening table tag. Then for closing the table tag, you have to write slash table in angular brackets. You can see. So begin and end of the table is done using these two tags. Okay. Then when you form a table, you have to form the rows. So for the formation of the rows, a tag is used that is the tr tag. You know the second option in angular brackets you can see tr. The first tr is the opening of tr tag, that is table row, and the next slash tr is the closing of tr tag. Okay, so it creates a table row. Keep this in mind. Now next is the td tag. The td tag is used for formation of tabular data or a cell. So a cell is nothing but in a row a single record that is having some suppose there is a table consisting of name, address. So when you consider the first name record, so it is a single cell. Then second is the address. So address will be the single cell. Okay, so this cell is formed using td. So td is used to form the cell in a HTML table. TD. Okay, keep this in mind. Tables should not be used for layout. Okay, this point is also an important point because if you want to build layout in your web page, layout is nothing but how the content in your web page will be placed or displayed. Okay, so tables are not used for uh, the layout. Okay, for layout we use css, cascading style sheets. Okay, and positioning styles. Okay, for layouts in HTML. That is the last point. Now we will move to the next slide. So this is again HTML tables, the start and end of a table. So now we will see how we start and end a table. Okay, so this, the starting is by angular brackets, into that table is written, and the dot are nothing but between that opening and the closing of table tag we will write what? Table rows. We have seen the for creating table row we write tr. Then td for formation of table cell. Okay, and many more formatting tags can be written in between this table opening tag and table closing tag. Now start and end of a row. Okay, so the start and end of a row is tr. So tr angular brackets is opening of the row. Dot 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 means in that you will write the content of a row, okay, and then slash here closing of the row. Then start and end of a cell in a row, okay. So td dot 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 is nothing but the opening tag of the cell and slash td is the closing tag of the cell in a table. Now we will see a simple HTML table example. So you please write this code in your notepad file, okay, and save that notepad file with table.html name, okay, table.html. I have not written the name in this slide of the program because of issue of space, but give the name to this program as table.html. Then you have to write this in HTML opening tag and closing tag. Please keep this in mind, okay. Then the first line is angular bracket table. The table tag is opening, okay, table. In that table tag we have used an attribute cell spacing is equal to having the value 0. So cell spacing is nothing but the spacing of a single block, column, row, block. A block is formed, okay, a rectangular shape is formed in the table, okay. So that cell spacing is 0. Cell padding is equal to 5, okay. So the space of that table block is decided by these two attributes, cell spacing and cell padding. These are the attributes, cell spacing and cell padding, okay. Closing the angular bracket, then tr. Now first line we have opened the table tag, then in that table tag we are creating a row, so opening of tr tag. In that tr tag we are making a cell, okay. td image src is equal to ppt.gif slash td. We will see the output. So we have formed a cell in the table, and in that cell we are actually putting an image src ppt.gif, okay, and that cell is closed. Then again we are opening a td tag, another cell in the same row. We are in the same row, tr tag, okay. In the same row we are again opening going to the next cell, okay, td. In that a, now the a tag is for hyperlink. A href is equal to lecture1 dot ppt, okay. So this is the link for lecture1 dot ppt. It is for example purpose only, okay. So it is having or showing a link lecture1 dot ppt. Lecture1 closing of a tag slash a, then closing of the cell tag slash td. Now closing of the first row, our first tr tag slash tr. So the first tr tag, okay, you can see we have created two cell values. First is the image and second is the lecture hyperlink, okay. Then again we are going to next row tr. We are creating a second row, so opening of tr tag, and in that tr tag td a single cell. Again we are making a single cell. In that image src is equal to ppt.gif. We are again putting an image, but that image is same as the first image, okay. src source is equal to ppt.gif. Image is the tag, src is the attribute, and its value is ppt.gif. Closing the td tag. So first cell is closed. Now in second cell TD, again we are creating a hyperlink. href is equal to lecture2.ppt, lecture2 a tag close slash td means second cell closed, and we are closing the second row also. Then we are making a third row also. tr tag opening td image src is equal to zip.gif slash td a tag href lecture2 dash demos.zip lecture2 demos slash a tag and slash td. So in the third row also we are actually adding a zip.gif image, and we are again adding a hyperlink lecture2 dash demos.zip, closing the tr tag and closing the table tag. So this is our first table having 3 rows, okay, and there are various cells in that rows with the td tag. So now we will see the output of this example. Okay, so first of all you are going to see the same code that is being displayed here, which was on the previous slide, and now we will see the output. So this will be the output. So actually in this example a table is formed, okay, but now all of you may be confused that where is the table? It has no borders, okay, no lines, okay, but my dear friends, a table is being created because we have selected the table tag. Then in the table tag we have created the row and the columns also, okay. So first of all, see, the table cell spacing is equal to 0, cell padding is equal to 5. So you can see lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 2 demo, okay, and before them there are some images. So these images and lecture 1 we have taken them in the row. So first lecture 1, see the first tr tag you can see on the left hand side. The first tr tag td image source is equal to ppt.jf. So the lecture 1 written in blue color on the output, adjacent to it is a image. That image is nothing but a ppt.gif image, okay. Then similarly for lecture 2 there is a ppt.gif image you can see on the left hand side in the code, okay. The same is ppt.gif image as above lecture 1 and lecture 2, and we have written lecture 2, and it is displayed in blue color because it is a hyperlink href, okay. Hyperlinks are displayed in blue color, okay. And then you can see the third image, that is src is equal to zip.gif zip image and lecture2.demo. So this is a simple table formation using tr, td and table tags, okay. So please all of you do this example. It is a very important example. I know many of you will do it, and those who are not doing the practicals or examples, they will be not able to do any practical exams with themselves only, okay. Because if you are not practicing you will not get good grades, okay. So it is your responsibility to do all the examples sincerely.